Okay, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Physics for engineers topic is optics. Padayon kita solve number 5 video support. Number 5. A light beam travels at 1.94 times 10 to the 8 in quartz. So this is speed. Speed ha quartz. Light beam travels speed ha quartz. Quartz is actually glass nga compact. That would be speed. A light travels at 1.94 times 10 to the 8 meters per second in quartz. The wavelength of light in quartz is 355 nanometer. A. What is the index of refraction? So isurat taanay. 1.94 times 10 to the 8. 1.94, so that is V. So V, sorry, bagyan solve kasi. 1.94 times 10 to the 8 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. So mas mahinay di ba? Because at vacuum that is 2.0 2.99, almost 3. So mas mahinay solid, of course. V, and then the wavelength of the light in quartz is 355. The wavelength of light in quartz. So you have in quartz. Okay. In vacuum, so adding a zero and reference in vacuum. So amo tiyo titigam nan mga reference or zero. So the lambda only, that would be 355 nanometer. 355 nanometer. Okay. And then question A. Sayang pa din isang letter diretso. What is the index of refraction of quartz? So index of refraction is N, which is equal to lambda O or all over lambda. Ani mo lambda O, that is wavelength in vacuum. So ano here? Light beam. Light beam in vacuum. So makukuha natin it N has C all over B. Dito sa nga equation. Ayawin dito kita first, that is your N is the speed of light in vacuum all over V. The speed of light in that media. So kung quartz ito therefore you can get the index of refraction of that media or liquid, solid, anything. So C is 2.9979, constant na ganito 2.9979 times 10 to the 8 meters per second times 10 to the 8 meters per second, and then your velocity is 1.94 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. So you have your index of refraction. So constant siya for every material. So di man binigay kung ano yung material, so kinukuha natin kung ano yung constant na yan. 2.9979 all over 1.94 exponent 8. So yung ibig lang sabihin dito, yung red mo, basta particular siya na red, let's say 720, depende sa anong media siya papasok, magkakaroon siya ng hihina siya. So yung vacuum kasi, yun yung pinakamabilis siya kasi walang matter na magi-intercept sa kanya. So pag gases, of course, mas mas mabilis siya, of course ng konti. Sa air siguro mag-iiba to siya, kasi sa vacuum ibig sabihin walang matter doon, void siya. So pag mayroong matter na, depende. Tapos kung naging liquid ka, mas humihina pa siya, kasi yung molecules mo is masyado siyang closer with each other. And finally, sa mga solid na transparent, of course, kasi pag hindi transparent, hindi na talaga magpapastro yung light mo, depende. So yun yung kinukuha ng constant, yung particular na wavelength with respect ko sa particular na substance kung saan siya nagpipenetrate. Ganon yung concept. Okay, and the answer is 1. Exponent, hindi ko pala nalagyan ng exponent ng light. So that is 1.55 in 3 significant figures. 1.55, I think 3 significant figures to 1.55. The index of refraction. And then next is if the same light travels through air, what is its wavelength there? So kung sa air siya, wavelength sa air, so wavelength sa air, sa quartz to kasi yung formula natin dapat dyan is lambda O all over N. So yung N natin, teka ha, same light, baka negligible siya. Okay, baka negligible yung difference sa quartz at saka sa air, kasi yung air nga is masyado man siyang halaghag. Okay, so maliban kung meron tong constant sa air. Okay, meaning yung wavelength mo sa air at saka wavelength mo sa glass is pareho, parang ganito. Okay, I'm not so sure. Sige lang, hanapin ko lang. Kamali ako, anyway, didelete ko lang to. So yung sa vacuum mo, constant to siya. Yung wavelength sa vacuum ay binigay yata. Palagay ko yung reference dito is UO sa air. UO, parang UO dito. So ito yung hinahanap natin. Kasi ito yung reference, meaning ito kasi is sa quartz. Ito sa reference or vacuum, kung walang sinabi. Pero dito, ito yung quartz. Okay? Which is ito siya. Okay. Parang ito magiging sa quartz to siya. What's the wavelength? Teka, ha? Light travels through air. What is its wavelength there? Sa air siya. Itong isang wavelength, the wavelength of light in quartz is 355. So parang yung kinukontra natin dito yung quartz at saka air. So, ibig sabihin ito yung magiging air. So ito yung hinahanap natin, yung mu O. Okay? Mu O would be equal to lambda times n, which is yung n is ito na dong sa quartz. Kasi parang sa reference tayo, which is UO. Parang ganun. Okay? So, lambda is 355 nanometer multiplied by n, which is 1.55. 355 times 1.55, 550. So the answer would be a 550 nanometer wavelength. So mas liliit siya kasi dun sa mas ninipis siya kasi sa quartz. So kung sa air siya, madakuya. Okay, which makes sense. So A is 1.55. Unit nito is walang unit yung index of refraction, at ito is wavelength of light in air. Beam of light in air is 550 Newton. So yung beam of light, marami yun sila, kaya in-specify doon kung ano yung wavelength niya. So dapat din kayo magbasa ha, para naiintindihan nyo yung mga ibig sabihin. Okay, thank you guys for listening.